Look, I like my bitches red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow.
Hi, my name is T like the drink, but I ain't sweet, you feel me? So today I'm saying I'm about to do a quick little vlog. Right now I just took some pictures, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Follow me on my IG, to be description below, as well as in the video. But anyways, before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on my GDP description below, as well as in the video. Make sure you turn post notification bell on to be notified when I drop a video. All right, now let's get into it. So I'm about to go to Walmart right now. I gotta get I really don't even know what I gotta get. I'm gonna just shop, and then I gotta go to Sam's to get some other stuff. Not much. And then after that, I do not know, but you know what I'm saying. Just stay tuned, and it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be a little day, a little cute, little day. I don't know if it's gonna be cute, but I'll say cute. I don't know. Feels like a good day. All right, stay tuned. Breakfast now. Review coming soon. Tell me y'all remember these. Tell me y'all remember these. If you done had these in your childhood, I'm sorry for you. You gotta have one of these. I haven't seen one of these. I haven't seen one of these in a minute, so I'm definitely getting this one to try. I'm sorry, son, you might not like it, but you gotta at least try it just to say you did it. Now he should like it. He like, what is it? Popcorn chicken and fries. He loves some chicken and fries, and a brownie does him. You know what I'm saying? I low-key spent too much money grocery shopping today. It's all good. Anyways, oh my god, but I didn't finish out the vlog, but me and my son went to go get brunch for my friend. Y'all gonna see some of that. And then really that was our weekend. We didn't do much today. It's kind of windy out there today. I was gonna take it on my side, but it's kind of windy, so just chilling in the house. But thanks for watching. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how y'all weekend was in the comments, and see you guys next video.
I'm in the track rolling up runs, ran out of woods, passed me a gravel. I done seen niggas y'all used to look up to back then become